How to delete highlights from your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete highlights from your account on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, after you click on this profile icon, go here on your highlights, hold on it like this, and you will see here delete highlights. Click on it and it will be deleted. If you don't want to delete, just click cancel, and that's how to delete highlights from your account. And that is for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.